It's Priscilla Badsell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery. And I have a 14 by 14 inch canvas, an OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula, some colors that I'm interested in getting rid of, and I thought I was going to put them down straight on the That's schmutz. But I'm going to add them to a shallow puddle. But I want once to do this in the center. And if I hate what I see, I'm going to put more white paint over it and more colored paint over that. But I don't feel like wasting all this paint. And it sat overnight, and I had a nice, what I thought was a nice tight seal on with my Glad Press and Seal, and I found there was a gap. So I don't think it's going to last another day. And I want to put my container in the bucket and grab another spatula in case I need it. Let's see how far this will go. It might look like an agate. I don't think I'm going to keep it. It's not horrendously ugly, it's just kind of not beautiful. So I'm going to do what I usually do and remove that lump I just saw land in there. And the other one I saw also. So there's one here and one there. And they can go away. And a little more paint, I think. Good experiment. I am gonna swipe. If I don't care for the swipe, I'm gonna add some blooms. After that, I have no idea. I'm gonna rotate all the way around here if I can. My puddle isn't very even, is it? So these OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatulas from Good Grips are the bomb, and on my Amazon link, which is under the link tree underneath Show More under the video. If you ever need a link, if you're on your phone and you need a link, just ask me. I'm happy to help you with whatever you can't find. Part of me wants to use a spatula to swipe, but it can't be the one with the paint on it. Alright, so I've been having a lot of fun with a certain set of colors, and a certain few sets of colors, and they are, where's my Mayan Gold? Did I hide it on myself? Oh no, not again. There it is. Alright, I shouldn't have left those in my way. And I've got a color that I don't know what it is that I must have mixed custom, but let's put this right there and find the jasmine. So that is a primary element. The Mayan Gold is a Prizm pour. I'm going to use a primary element which is called Plum Blossom. Fill in my gaps. Certain bottles are better than others. The ones that have the flat top don't seem to be my favorite at all. So there's a new set of primary elements out called Fairytales, and there's 12 colors in it, and this is Magic Slippers. I'm being called to some blue, but fortunately we have some purpley blue. I think I'm willing to just use it up, because I don't think it's serving any purpose. I'm not good with little cups. They disappear and then they reappear and then they disappear. And sometimes I get to use them and sometimes they wind up little hockey pucks. So that's going in the bucket. And magic slippers. Alright, so I've got saffron, and sour lemon with a little bit of Orange Crush in it. And I'm going to risk some more over there and come back again. I'm not sure what will happen when that blue and that orange come together, but I do have Australian Floetrol, and I have Pebeo Iridescent Blue Violet and Boom Gel too, and I'm tempted by the Iridescent Blue Violet for sure. It's mixed with Aussie Floetrol. Let's see how I like the... I also have teal. That could be nice. And I have a mauve, which I'm not going to use any of them. Okay, so here goes nothing. I want it on this side. And I used a fairly substantial amount, maybe a little bit more than I usually do. That's sort of telling me it's time to put some more cell activator on. So that's what I'm going to do. These are great colors. And I'm going to lose a lot of what's around the outside edge, but I don't care. I am going to try a little bloom and see what happens. Not much. Okay, so now I've been doing scoop and drags. And where did I hide my tools? Wow, okay, they're right there. They're not far. And what do I want to do? Do I see a place that I might want to do some more? I could do some more. So I'm going to do some more. Now if you wait long enough and you're patient, which I'm terrible at, the cells will develop. I'm tempted by some Mayan Gold. I'm also tempted by some Jasmine. This is a acetate tool, and there is a tutorial video if should you be interested in that, and I forget to add it, please just ask me. That's going in the bucket. I didn't really get, oh, I got a little bit of gold. I'm going to just go for it. I'm going to do scoop and drag. I forgot my favorite color, which is Quinacridone Nicolazo Gold. Well, I have a lot of favorite colors actually. So I have to pull up to release the pressure on the canvas, from the canvas on the palette knife. I'm not very articulate today, I'm sorry about that. I have a lot of black, surprisingly. If I slow down, I get to keep some of the cells. Those are awesome. I did not slow down, I did not keep my cells, but at least I got the color that I wanted. Hopefully my head isn't blocking everything. Now I do tend to want to steal some paint. Pull up. I don't mind if it's not all cells. I just like the way the scoop and drags play out. That's going to be pretty cool, I hope. These are definitely some of my favorite color combinations. Now I've also got to contemplate whether I might want to put some spirals in. Just following my instincts. I think if you just went for it, you'd be pretty lucky. If you just keep going. Those are bubbles that need to be popped. This is paint I want to steal. Wouldn't have minded having some of that black. That's my head in the... I have a marble hanging off some tape. I'm a little concerned with this right here. And I think I want some of that yellow. So pull up. It looks like there's an object in there and I'm going to have to get it out. And I'm right, but then I am using leftover paint, so that makes sense. I think you could do the same thing without leftover paint. I am almost ready to spin. I just have to contemplate whether I want some spirals or not. And I usually do. And sometimes I don't, and I like it just as much. And even little ones turn out to be something. I want to pop that bubble though. That's not a sharp skewer. That's not going to help me that much. So looking for bubbles and places that are going to expand to a point where I'm not super thrilled. I don't know what to do with this. I don't know why I went in there. But it's time to do something. That's pretty cool actually. I like it. I'm going to throw all my little tools in the bucket. I've got duplicates. Do I want a tip? I'm a little concerned with this right here. That looks like a heart. to add a little spiral, a couple of them. I think that's going to be better. I hope so. But I'll spin out and we'll stop and check. Ready? Or get ready, 1, 2, 3. Kind of too late for that now. So I do sell my artwork. I give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. I have a link tree that has my Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook group, Expressionist Fluid Art Appreciation. Wow, that's really kind of neat. Loving those colors. I'm going to spin again whether I want to or not because I have a couple of uncovered corners, which I could cover with the paint that's coming off, but it wouldn't make it less deep in the center. So please give me a thumbs up. When you share my videos, you help me out. When you shop my Amazon link, it's on the link tree, you help me out, and you can find my 2 books there and 4 lists of great tools and toys and paints and canvases, and you name it, it's there. And I'm liking the sort of negative space over here and the odd shapes as much as I like anything. So one more spin, and I really kind of could have tipped it so that that part that I liked come back. Hey. So that this part, so I don't lose that part. But by the same token, I like a lot of things about this. I'm going to shimmer that at you before we're gone, because we'll have 1 minute when the timer goes off. I like it that way. I especially like it that way. I don't mind it that way. That's not my first choice. So let's hope we're all in range of the monitor. There is an icon on the bottom right hand corner of my YouTube channel banner should you be in the availability of making a donation to help me provide more tutorials for all kinds of people. I just want to zoom right all the way in, which is really hard to come back from, but worth it sometimes. And I'm trying to shimmer that at you and I'm doing a terrible job. I'm so sorry. So, I love you guys. You inspire the heck out of me. I post at 10:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time weekdays. Actually, every day. See how I am. On my Amazon link, I said you could find my 2 books. I told you about Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links. I have a couple of websites there too. You can purchase my merchandise on The Gallerist, Society 6, Spring Clothing below the video, Fine Art America, or Pixels.com. And if you can't find what you're looking for, just ask me and I'll be happy to try and add it there. I love you guys. You inspire the heck out of me. I'm forgetting everything. My community board is going to show you tomorrow's video at 10:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Questions are welcome and encouraged. I love you much. I hope to see you again. I am just loving this. This is so cool. I'm so glad you came, and I hope you come again. Bye for now. Oh wait! There's a 20% off Colourarte coupon code and a 10% off coupon code for Pixel Paint Designs. Colourarte coupon code will get you Prizm pours and primary elements. Pixel Paint Designs coupon code will get you Pebeo paints, Australian Floetrol, Boom Gel, and all kinds of more. So check both of those out. You could be helping me out and I could use a little help. So if you'd like to purchase any artworks, please contact me through my email. It's EASPB and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. I'll see you anon. Priscilla out.